friends, myself Vallabh Kharat. Today we learn present perfect continuous tense. Let's see the structure of present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus have, has plus been plus V4 plus objects. In Marathi's name is Purna Apurna Vartaman Kal, and the second name is Chalu Purna Vartaman Kal. In Marathi, when any sentence come, मी आंबा खात आलेलो आहे, the sentence is indicate the पूर्ण वर्तमान काळ. In last the Marathi sentence ला लिहिलेलो आहे. Let's see some English examples. In structure, the V4 is come. The second name of V4 is gerund. And let's see some English sentence of present perfect continuous tense. I have been eating pizza. We have been eating pizza. You have been eating pizza. They have been eating pizza. He has been eating pizza. She has been eating pizza. Sonu has been eating pizza. Sonu and Monu has been eating pizza. Sorry friends, my mistake. Sonu and Monu have been eating pizza. Thank you friends for watching video.